Question number 6. X cube plus x square by xy square. So, இதையும் அதே மாதிரி பண்ணலாமா? So, d by dx of x cube plus x square y. I'll take it outside. Individual terms எழுதிடலாம். So, I have d by dx of x cube plus d by dx of x square y plus d by dx of x y square plus d by dx of y cube is equal to d by dx of 81, which is going to be 0. d by dx of any constant is going to be 0. Next step la எழுதலாம். So, இங்க d by dx of x cube. So, இந்த இடத்துல the 3 comes down. X stays. Power என்ன ஆகும்? It will be reduced by 2. Reduced by 1. So, I'll have 3x square. Plus, இந்த இடத்துல again a product. So, I have u, v. Formula என்ன? vu dash plus uv dash. So, I'm going to have vu dash. So, y times d by dx of x square plus uv dash. So, it is going to be x square d by dx of y plus again இந்த இடத்துலயும் ஒரு product இருக்கு. So, I have u and v. Again using the same formula, I have vu dash. So, y square d by dx of x plus uv dash. So, x into d by dx of y square plus I'll write it in the next line. I have d by dx of y cube. So, y cube or derivative and it is going to be 3y square. But remember your variable here is y. So, d by dx of y இதை எழுத மறந்துடாதீங்க equal to derivative of a constant is going to be 0. So, what is my next step? 3x square plus y into d by dx of x square and it is going to be 2x plus x square dy divided by dx plus y square d by dx of x is going to be 1 plus x into d by dx of y square. So, it is going to be 2y but don't forget the y, dy by dx plus 3y square dy by dx. So, 3y square dy by dx is equal to 0. So, I'm going to take all my terms which are dependent on dy by dx together. So, என்ன இருக்கும்? x square dy by dx plus 2xy dy divided by dx plus 3y square dy by dx. So, these are my terms which are dependent on dy by dx. Correct? The values that are marked in pink. So, these are the terms which are dependent on dy by dx and these are the terms which are not. So, இதெல்லாம் இன்னொரு side கொண்டு போயிடலாம். I'm going to take it to the other side. So, what am I going to have? Minus 3x square minus 2xy minus y square. Okay? So, இப்போ இந்த இடத்துல dy by dx common எடுத்தா I'll have x square plus 2xy plus 3y square equal to இங்க minus common எடுத்தா I'm going to have 3x square plus 2xy plus y square. So, dy divided by dx is equal to minus of 3x square plus 2xy plus y square. The whole divided by, when these terms go to the right, it is going to go to the denominator. So, I'll have x square plus 2xy plus 3y square. So, this is my final answer. Please copy. Going on to question number 7, I'm going to find the derivative of this for each and every term separately. Okay, so I'm going to have d by dx of sin square y. இதை எப்படி rewrite பண்ணலாம்? d by dx of sin y the whole square. இப்படி பண்ணலாமா? So, I need to find the derivative of this. So, I'll have, இப்போ x square ஓட derivative and it is going to be 2x. But what is your x in this case? It is sin y. So, I'll have 2 sin y. But I need to differentiate sin also. So, I'll have d by dx of sin y. இப்போ அடுத்த step என்ன இருக்கு? 2 sin y times what is my derivative of sin? It is going to be cos. So, cos y times I have a y. It is not x. So, it is going to be dy divided by dx. So, I have 2 sin y cos y. What is 2 sin theta cos theta? It is going to be sin 2 theta. Correct? 2 sin theta cos theta is sin 2 theta. You learned this in your trigonometry class 11. Correct? You need to remember all that. So, I have sin 2y times dy divided by dx. So, this is my first term. Second term enna? Cos xy. So, I have d by dx of cos of xy. So, this is derivative of cos enna? Minus sin of xy. But remember your theta is not simply theta, it is xy. So, அதை differentiate பண்ணமா? So, d by dx of xy. So, d by dx of I have a product. So, this is u times v. What is the formula? vu dash plus uv dash. போன questionல போட்டோம். Correct? So, this is minus sin xy times, put a bracket, open a bracket. Multiplication la, whenever you have plus sign in between, please open a bracket. Bracket illana tappu tappa aidum. So, vu dash. So, I have y times d by dx of x plus uv dash. So, it is going to be x times d by dx of y. So, my next step is minus sine of xy times y times 1 d by dx of x is going to be simply 1 plus x into dy divided by dx. So, இதை open பண்ணலாமா? Bracket open பண்ணா I'm going to have minus y into sine xy minus x into sine xy times dy divided by dx. இதை மறந்துடக்கூடாது. Then on the LHS I have k. So, d by dx of any constant is going to be a 0. So, d by dx of k is going to be 0. So, இப்போ ultimately என்னென்ன values எல்லாம் எழுத போறோம்? I'll mark that in purple. So, sin 2y dy by dx அப்புறம் இந்த term. So, இதை consolidate பண்ணி எழுதுனா என்ன வரப்போகுது? I'm going to have sin 2y dy divided by dx minus y into sin xy minus x times sin xy dy by dx is equal to 0. So, இந்த இடத்துல dy by dx term சேர்த்து எழுதுனா என்ன ஆகும்? dy divided by dx into sin 2y minus x sin xy is equal to, this term is independent of dy by dx. So, அதை அடுத்த side கொண்டு போனா what will I have? Y into sin xy. So, I want dy by dx. So, taking all the other terms to the other side, I have y times sin xy divided by sin 2y minus x sin xy. Okay? Please copy. Question number 8, sin x square plus cos square y, sorry, sin square x plus cos square y is equal to 1. So, இந்த இடத்துலையுமே individual terms பண்ணலாமா? So, first I have d by dx of sin square x. So, I can rewrite this as d by dx of sin x the whole square. So, this is nothing but very similar to x square. அப்போ என்ன ஆகும்? 2x. d by dx of x square is going to be 2x. So, I have 2 sin x. What is my variable? It is simply x. So, அதை differentiate பண்ண வேண்டாம். But I have sin x inside. So, d by dx of sin x. So, I have 2 sin x times d by dx of sin x and cos x. What is 2 sin x cos x? Sin 2x. Correct? 2 sin theta cos theta is sin 2 theta. You learned this in trigonometry. Cos theta is sin 2 theta. Okay. Now, what is my next function? d by dx of cos square y. I can rewrite this as d by dx of cos y the whole square. So, this is 2 cos y times d by dx of function and cos y. Now, 2 cos y times cos y or derivative and it is minus sin y. But remember the variable is y. So, d by dx of y. So, இங்க என்ன இருக்கு? Minus 2 sin y cos y dy by dx. Again, I have minus 2 sin theta cos theta is going to be minus sin 2 theta which is sin 2y dy divided by dx. RHS ல என்ன இருக்கு? 1 இருக்கு. So, I have a constant d by dx of 1 is equal to 0. Derivative of a constant is 0. When I consolidate everything I have, what do I have? Sin 2x inga in that this term. Here I have this term. So, this is my LHS and RHS. So, I have sin 2x minus sin 2y dy by dx is equal to 0. So, taking one term to the other side, I have sin 2x is equal to sin 2y dy by dx. So, what is my dy by dx? Sin 2x divided by sin 2y. Okay? Please copy. Moving on to question number 9, I have y is equal to sin inverse of 2x divided by 1 plus x square. So, in that we are going to deal with inverse functions now. So, example, we can rewrite this as sin y is equal to 2x divided by 1 plus x square. So, in the mari eduthalama. So, my LHS is going to be sin y, my RHS is going to be 2x divided by 1 plus x square. But idha paatha ungalku enna thonudhu? What do you know? You know that sin 2 theta is going to be 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. In the mari formula namak theriyuma. So, how can you rewrite this? Here you have a sin y. So, I can rewrite this as sin theta is going to be 2 tan theta by 2 the whole divided by 1 plus tan square theta divided by 2. So, what happens here? It is 2 theta na in that theta and theta. When I have a theta here, here it becomes theta by 2 and theta by 2. Correct? So when I compare these two, what do I see? When I compare these two, I see that I can rewrite my x to be tan y divided by 2. Correct? I can also write this as sin y is equal to 2 tan y divided by 2 divided by 1 plus tan y divided by 2. So இந்த இடத்துல compare பண்ணா என்ன தெரியுது? I see that x is tan of y by 2. Correct? When I compare these two, I see that sin y is in my LHS. RHS la enna irukku? 2x divided by 1 plus x square. Inge 2 tan y by 2 divided by 1 plus tan y by 2. Sorry, you have a square here. Tan square y by 2. Tan square theta by 2. So it is going to be tan square y by 2. So in the renduthiyum compare panna enna varudhu? I get a relation that x is equal to tan of y by 2. So basically what have I done? I have minimized my question. I have simplified my question. So this was my question. Now this becomes my question. Simplify panten question. Avladha, nothing else. So now when I take the derivative on both sides, I have d by dx of x is equal to d by dx of tan y divided by 2. So ipo oru term pannalama. What is my LHS? 1 is equal to d by dx of tan theta. What is my derivative of tan theta? It is going to be secant square theta. But what is my theta here? So it is going to be d by dx of y divided by 2. So either further simplify panna, what will I have? 1 is equal to secant square y divided by 2. 1 by 2 is a constant, so I can take that out. I'll be left with dy divided by dx. Now dy divided by dx enna? dy by dx is equal to 2 times 2 divided by secant square y by 2. But in that enna relation theriyum? We saw that x is equal to tan y. Appa idu secant square y mari eppadi ezhudalam? I know the relation between tan and secant is 1 plus tan square y is equal to secant square y. So secant square y eppadi ezhudalam? 1 plus tan square y nu ezhudalam. So I can rewrite this as 2 divided by 1 plus tan square y by 2. But what is my tan y? It is x. So I have 2 divided by 1 plus x square. So this is my final answer. I have dy by dx is equal to 2 divided by 1 plus x square. Please copy. Flight.